Hey there, ever feel like you need to capture just a little more specific information on your bill of materials or works orders? Today, we are diving into user-defined fields. This is a powerful way to tailor Xperdyte to your unique manufacturing needs. Why does this feature matter? Well, every factory is different. User-defined fields allow you to create a single source of truth for data that isn't standard, like shelf life or specific mixing instructions. By capturing this info directly in the system, you improve data accuracy and overall system health, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let's take a look at how to set this up. First, head over to the System Settings menu on the left. Click on User Field Descriptions. This is the command center, where you can give your custom fields professional names instead of just value 1 or value 2. Notice the tabs at the top. We will select the BOM/Works Order Header tab. Let's find value 1 under the Numeric Fields section and rename it to Shelf Life, Months. Once you've typed that in, hit Save to lock it in. Now that we've named our field, let's use it. Navigate to Bill of Materials and open one of your recipes. Click on the Auxiliary tab. You will see our new Shelf Life Months field ready for action. Let's enter 12 months here and save the BOM. Here is a handy shortcut to make your life easier. If you want to see this info at a glance without opening every record, right-click any column header in the BOM list and select Column Chooser. Find your shelf life column and simply drag it into your grid. Now you can sort and filter by shelf life instantly. The best part, this data flows right through to your production. When you approve that BOM and create a new works order, head to the Auxiliary tab on that works order. The shelf life info is already there. You can even change it for a specific run without affecting your master BOM. Now, what if you need info for a specific ingredient rather than the whole recipe? Head back to User Field Descriptions and click the BOM/Works Order Lines tab. Let's take Text Field Description 1 and rename it to something like Mix. This allows us to track specific data for every single line item. Don't forget to hit Save. Let's see this in action. Go back to your Bill of Materials and open your recipe. Go to Cost Elements, then Materials tab. You won't see the field yet, as before. Right-click the header, open the column chooser, and drag your new mix factor column into the grid. Entering line data. Now you can enter specific values for each raw material. For example, maybe your flour needs a specific mix setting. Just type it right into the grid. This adds a whole new layer of detail to your recipe that everyone on the floor can see. Save your changes and you are set. Just like the header fields, these line-level details flow directly into your production. When you create a works order from this BOM, navigate to the Materials tab. Add the column and custom mix factor is right there for the production team to follow. It ensures the source of truth travels from the office to the factory floor. We used numeric and text fields today, but keep in mind that date fields work exactly the same way. Whether you are tracking expiration dates or specific quality check times, the setup process is identical. It is all about making the system work for your specific workflow. That covers everything from headers to line items. By using these fields, you are making Xperdyte the ultimate source of truth for your factory. If you run into any snags or want to brainstorm how to use these for your specific products, drop us a line at info@xperdyte.co.za. See you in the next one.